This stir-fried noodle can be found in almost every Chinese restaurant. What makes it so popular and loved by everyone? Well, you should try it first. Hi, today we're making chicken chow mein. First, we need some chicken breast. Slice it thinly along the grain. Once sliced, marinate with soy sauce, cooking wine, and white pepper. Mix well so the chicken fully absorbs the flavors. Then add a tablespoon of cornstarch. This makes the chicken more tender and smooth. Finally, add a bit of oil to prevent sticking. Let it marinate for 20 minutes. We also need a mix of colorful vegetables. Shred some cabbage. Cut the bell peppers into stripes. Slice the onion. Cut the carrots into thin stripes. Finally, chop some garlic and green onions. This combination of veggies is not only delicious but also super nutritious. For noodles, I prefer to use steamed egg noodles. They're springy, chewy, and packed with flavor. Before using them, bring a pot of water to a boil. Blanch noodles for 1 minute. Then immediately drain and rinse them with cold water to prevent sticking. Next, prepare our special and delicious sauce. It works great for both stir-fried noodles and fried rice. And all the ingredients are common Chinese seasonings you can buy at Asian grocery store. Make sure to mix them well until fully combined. Now let's get cooking. Start with the chicken, quickly stir-fry and break it apart. Add some garlic to remove any gamey smell. Stir-fry until the chicken changes color, but don't overcook it. Once done, take it out of the pan and set it aside. Add a bit more oil to the pan. Stir-fry the cabbage and carrots first. They take longer to cook, so give them extra time. Once softened, add the onions and the bell peppers. Stir-fry until a little bit soft. Then remove everything from the pan. Now add another drizzle of oil and stir-fry the noodles. This step helps dry out any excess moisture, and it also releases the aroma of the egg noodles. Once done, add the cooked vegetables and chicken back into the pan. Stir everything together until evenly mixed. Finally, pour in the prepared sauce. Sprinkle the green onions on top and toss everything until evenly coated in sauce. Now it's ready to serve. Let me take the first bite. The noodles are perfectly stir-fried, so fragrant, chewy, and coated in delicious sauce. Every bite is super satisfying and makes me want more. Perhaps that's the secret to why it's so popular worldwide. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. I'm Ken Min. See you next time.